Hello, everyone. Just wanted to quickly update you about the Nifty level. Yesterday, for those who checked out my live stream, our normal Thursday live stream, I was telling yesterday that yes, I'm very closely watching out for one level. And which level was that? It was the 17,300 level. Okay. I had showed you how a lower high, lower low what pattern was being formed, and we always try to analyze whether the trend is being broken or not. Okay, if the trend is being broken and if it breaks with some other indicators as well. So for example, we also check what is the RSI at that point in time, what is the MACD at that point in time, what is the pivot level at that point in time. So we do check all these key parameters. If all these parameters are in favor, and plus if we see that the zone of Nifty, if Nifty is trading in a specific range, if it's range bound and if that is being broken, then we have seen sharp moves, sudden moves in the past. So I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to tell you about how Nifty uh, has performed today. Has it really come out of its range or not? I'm going to quickly share my screen. Before that, I was just checking out the news right now before I started the live stream. Apparently, some notification has come up which mentions that in India, Omicron virus is officially now replacing the Delta variant. Okay, so in simple words, whatever new cases that we will see for Corona, the new cases ideally will be of the Omicron virus rather than Delta variant, right? Is that a good news? Answer is 100% yes, because Delta variant was a shade more risky. Demanded for the hospitalization rate was high, the Delta rate, the death rate was high. In comparison to Delta, Omicron is comparatively good. I mean, at least very less hospitalization chance and very less death rate. Okay, so the statement which has come up mentions that yes, in India now, Omicron is replacing the Delta variant. It's a good sign. Okay, not only for us, for people like you and me, but also for the markets. Right now, quickly coming to the range that I was referring to yesterday, I want everyone to focus on the Nifty chart pattern that we can see right now. I'm trying to zoom in. I will zoom in. Don't worry. But here you can see I have been tracking this specific pattern from when, from 18th of October, right? And if I were to zoom in to this chart from 18th of October, here you can see high and a low and a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. And now when we try to join these highs and lows, okay, what we can see is a downward falling wedge. Okay, a downward wedge pattern is what we can clearly see. Big question is it broken or not? And answer is, you can see it very well on the screen. This line, this trend line has been clearly broken today. Okay, so is this the only point because of which I'm going to jump and take a long position in Nifty? No. Is there any other reason why I'm feeling very comfortable with the Nifty level right now? So yes, I've again zoomed in further. So number one, so I'm telling you top 3, 4, 5 reasons. Number one, has it broken this trend line of ours? Yes, number one. Number two, I'm not sure if it is very clearly visible or not, but this is our line of pivot. Okay, I'm trying to zoom in further so that maybe it will be visible for you. Okay, this orange horizontal line, okay, this is the line of pivot, and that also has been broken today. Okay, the pivot level is around 17,324. The market is trading above this level. So number one, trend line broken. Number two, pivot level also broken. How is the RSI looking right now? So for that, if you see, I generally check out RSI at 60 level. Once it crosses 60 level, we do see good momentum being built up, and there are chances that it might zoom up further. But right now, it's not at 60. Still, it is above the 50 mark. It is at almost 53. So still shows strength. There's not like optimum strength, but yes, it does show strength. If you check the RSI, if you even check the MACD crossover had happened on 24th only. Since then, even the histograms are showing strength. Seems that yes, this is set for something higher. And one last point. So before I move on to the last point, I'm quickly telling you, number one, has it broken the channel? Yes. Number two, has it even crossed, has it even gone above the pivot level? Yes. Number 3, do I see strength in RSI? Yes. Number 4, do I see a positive sign in MACD? Yes. And number 5, what about the moving average? Now for that, even let me just zoom in further, right? So this is the 50-day moving average. 50-day moving average is also at 17,339. Has it also broken the 50 days moving average line? Answer is yes. So 5 indicators which are telling me that yes, the market is all set for a fresh up move. Is this an early sign? Answer is yes. I'm repeating, is this an early sign? Yes. Generally, those who want to play a bit safe, people wait for confirmation. Okay, so ideally, this is the first sign of the levels being broken. If you want to play a bit more safe, ideally you should see a confirmation candle which again closes above these levels, closes above these key levels of 17,350 now, because the pivot level is at 17,000, still take 17,320, 330, at least 17,330 के ऊपर close होना चाहिए. If that closes well above it, well and good, why not? If someone wants to play a bit more safe, ideally such a person would not enter at this level. Or what can people do? So for example, I have taken one position on the long side in Nifty today morning only, when I saw that yes, this move is coming. Even in the morning, market was up almost by 100 points roughly. So one small position I've taken in Nifty. So let's see. This is, as I mentioned, this is not a confirmation yet, but if we see a close uh, above this level, at this level also on Monday, this is a sure sign that yes, we would be set for another up move. What could be the immediate resistance? Immediate resistance that I can see is directly at 17,800 ke aaspaas ke levels. So let's see how the next move comes up in the market. Looks pretty exciting right now. The entire setup looks exciting. So hopefully we will be in a good position right now, and hope we'll see some nice levels coming up. I don't want to increase the length of this stream so that more and more people watch it. Number one. Number two, I just quickly wanted to tell that because Kedar is asking what was December stock of the month, didn't see any post. December stock of the month was about 6 stocks which are there in my portfolio, and that was a live stream. But January stock of the month has been already published in our community tab. So don't forget to check out our community tab post. That's where I've already told you which is the stock of the month for the month of January, right? So this is what I want to tell you. Share the stream with your friends. Let's make people more and more educated about how to identify trends, how to see that whether a trend is being challenged, is taken out, and it'll be fun to watch the Monday closing as well. As I mentioned, for those who can take a shade higher risk, for them ideally today we can see a clear trade in Nifty, right? So that's it from my side. Take care, Jai Hind, and bye bye.